Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to Dr. Pandawan Lokman Hakim Osman. I am Nur Alia Amira binti Razali. I will represent my group to present our service and BMC, Job Track Malaysia, with the trademark a platform where anyone can find their employer and employees. Today, we are going to discuss on 5 main points, which are management teams, overview problems, solution, mobile and web application, and lastly, BMC. The structure of our organization consists of two powerful women, which is our CEO and COO is Nur Alia Amira, while for CFO and CMO is Nurul Jannah. Like business, students are also facing the significant problem on the financial due to the impact of COVID-19. Some of them who used to work as a part-timer or maybe own a business may have been impacted the most. This is because they are unable to work as they used to anymore and may be pressured with the high expenses. The spread of COVID-19 earlier this year had already made a large impact on labour supply and earning of workers in Malaysia. The inability of businesses to sustain their operation with the current workforce causing them to cost-cutting as a step for the employers to stay survive for the next few months. At this moment, some of the employers are starting to find a low-cost and instant intake workers to work with them. This is to make sure that their operation will keep on going but with a minimum cost. And now, I present to you Job Track, your financial solution. At the end of this video, I will show you on how to use the apps. So, stay tuned! Now, let's move on to the BMC, which is the value of proposition. It is divided into two categories. One is for the students and another one is for the SME. Core value for the student value proposition is source of income. Number 2, flexibility of working hour. Number 3, flexibility of working place. Meanwhile, the value proposition of small-medium entrepreneurs are ready-made platform, cost-effective, and last one, immediately hiring workers. Next, customer segment. Our main focus is to help students to generate their side income with the targeted area is around Bangi, Putrajaya, Serdang and Kajang. The condition is that the student must currently pursue their studies in degree, master or PhD. The student might be from UKM, Quiz, UPM or Unicel or College Mara. For the SME, it can be from any agency. It doesn't matter on what type of business you are doing, as long as it is suitable and flexible for anyone. As an example, if you own an online business, I believe that you might need some help in packaging or listing the order, right? Therefore, all you have to is advertise your job and find someone to help you now. To increase the productivity and encourage new customers to join us, we are going to use few channels as a medium to create more connections such as web and mobile apps, Google AdWords, advertisement in social media, and advertisement by SMEs. In order to maintain and improve the quality of the job provided, both employer and employees are able to give their feedback and their star rating on our apps. Next, social media will be used as a medium for a new workers and company to join us. By posting advertisement, this can help to attract more potential customers to join us and be part of us. Key resources are the important things that our business need to build out the value proposition that we have promised to customers. First, is physical in infrastructure, building and office space, machinery and equipment. Number 3, server. The last one, personal computers and other peripheral device. And now we are moving to the most crucial in key resources, which is human resources. It consists of financial officer whose responsibility of one role is to seek money. Next, technology officer responsible for the management of an organization research and development. Next, operation manager handle external relations with lenders, community lenders and vendor. Lastly, receptionist. Lastly, intellectual resources come brands, patent or copyright and customer databases. All are increasing important components of a strong business model. Intellectual resources take time to engender and develop. Our key partners in making sure that the job track keep moving forward and strongly is SME. For example, food beverage, budget hotel, boutique, transportation, office, supermarket, online business, or any agency. Moving on to the next part is key activities. First is software design and development. Number 2, system implementation. Number 3, security and privacy compliance. Next is marketing activities. Our main activity is business advertising. From SME, they will be able to use this platform to advertise their needs, like hiring an immediate worker for a simple job that does not require a full-time worker. Lastly, the university student requirement are referring to customer. This platform is purposely made to help these students to generate their own side income. It will be easier for them to choose as it's based on their availability and desire. The cost structure in maintaining these apps are consist of fixed costs and variable costs like employer salary, server rental, legal costs, and other service fee that related to develop a great website. For the last part, you may be curious on how does JobTrack get the revenue in doing this. Here, I'm going to explain it for you. For every complete job, 2% of service charges of the payment will be given to the JobTrack. This includes on every agreement made between both parties, which is student and the SME. JobTrack will also earn for every click on the advertisement made by the employers in our page. It means that if the amount of people visit the company page increase, surely the amount of revenue for us increase too. By doing the advertising, we are going to boost the employer or SME job vacancy quicker than any other job. We will also put any recommendation and the advertisement will stay on top of our website as much as they pay for the advertising. 4% will also be charged to the SME as part of the processing fee of requirement.